Hey guys, Jelly Trades here. Sorry about that. Today I'm just gonna talk to you guys about this quick market. Oh god, market open first fair value gap strategy. So basically, after 9:30 when the market opens, the first fair value gap on the 1 minute, you could basically draw that out, use inverted fair value gaps, or wait for an order block to be created inside the fair value gap, and use it with your daily bias. So right here, I started my trades over here. So we were bullish in this scenario, bullish, 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 and then we got bearish here, we got bearish here, because the order flow changed, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick and how to, figure out if we're bullish. So basically, right here, we are bearish because we just took out this swing low with this huge down candle. That down candle produced, it doesn't really matter, but down candle produced a big fair value gap. um but since this is what's important, we took a swing low with a strong down candle, and then once we make a swing high, you see one, two, three. Once this low right here gets traded through in the bottom, we're now in confirmed bearish territory. So now we're looking for scalps. um Now we're looking for scalps, and basically when the price broke a swing high right here, we're gonna wait for a swing low to form. One, two, three, and we're waiting for this to get rated, and now we're back bullish. So we're gonna go to the strategy. I'm just gonna skip into to 9 o'clock, and you can use this strategy. I have a 30% win rate with the strategy right now. Just show you guys the trades. So right here is the profit and losses. So we lost, 1,400, 1,400, lost, break even, lost, 1,400, break even, 1,400, lost, 1,400, and lost. So we're at around 30%. We won 5 times, we lost 10. So sitting around 30%. Alright, so now we're in the 1 minute. The first fair value gap is going to start printing. So right here, we have fair value gap right after market open. So since we're in a bullish territory, we want to see a down candle come, and then we want to see an up candle come and break above the down candle. So a down candle came and touched the fair value gap, and we wicked above the down candle. So we'll buy right here, and we'll put our stop down here, and we're going to go for a 1 to 4. And once we get a 1 to 1, so once basically we win $100, we're going to go break even. So we can go right here. So once this has 100, we're going to go break even. 72, about to be 100. So 167, we go break even, and we let it ride. And in my strategy too, I could do, if I get stopped out right here and it comes back into this fair value gap, I can take another trade with this strategy. It still works. Okay. Boom. No down candle, so just an up candle, so we won't take it. So down candle. Alright, but since we closed below it, we're gonna wait for the price to come back above and then make the down candle. And the price is just looking real sloppy right here, so we're not even gonna take it. We'll go to the next day. But you can see right here, we got break even, we had a nice push up, and we just gotta keep going to the next day because price action is getting sloppy. And you can have like a certain cutoff too, like if you guys don't want to trade after 10 o'clock sorry, after like let's say 11 o'clock, you don't have to. So first fair value gap getting printed right here, daily bias still bullish. 1 minute, we're looking for a respect. So we have it getting print, we have a close below, so now we want to see it pop back up. See, it could go in bearish territory now. We can go down. Yep, you see. So the first fair value gap right here is very important, and how we trade against it. So look, we closed below, we came back, we made a swing low. You could sell right here, or you could wait for that order block right here. Boom. Once we close below here, come back, you can sell this, put your stop right here, and catch that run. But since we're in bullish territory, I'm not doing that. We'll go to the next day. I just want to quickly show you guys how to do this strategy because I feel like the strategy is so simple and so hard to get it wrong, especially with the daily bias. So we're waiting for first fair value gap. So we got it right here. So we want the market to come back and retrace into this. And sometimes it doesn't, and that's okay. So it looks like we're about to. All right, so we just barely wicked above right here, but you could buy. And this is also like, it could be a 50-50 chance that this even gets us in a trade, wins this trade, or loses this trade. Basically, you want to break even as fast as you can. Like, so boom, we just lost that trade. We come right here, and we have a down candle getting respected right here. So theoretically, since I would literally wait for, and you could have also said like, oh, since we had a down close candle breaking below the fair value gap, you gotta wait for it to come back above, and then do the CSD right here, which you'll be buying right here. Stop right here below the down candle, 1 to 4. So you could have even put that as a rule, which is a very valid rule. And then you could wait for that, break even at $100. So yeah, this is just kind of just showing you guys the strategy. But you also gotta notice that if you have a 1 to 4, your win rate is gonna be pretty bad. So your win rate is gonna be like less than 40% guaranteed. So we have a daily is still bullish. 1 minute, we're looking for the first fair value gap. Boom. And it doesn't have to be a bullish fair value gap, but this has just been showing bullish fair value gaps. So we're waiting for a down close candle. You see it broke above, so we could wait for it to come back. Or you could have taken this right here, taken that right there, and take that swing and catch it all the way up. So there's like different ways to do it. Let's see if it ever comes back. But I would say that if you're gonna do it one way, you should keep doing it that way. But it also can depend on the structure. But it's good to just have something that's like really rule based. So 9:30 again, waiting for the first fair value gap. Boom, bullish fair value gap right here. So waiting for a down close candle to get supported. So we break above, and we didn't close below, so we could take this. So we could go right here. We broke above. Technically, we wicked above it in this one, so you can even enter off of this because we wicked above it. You see, just by a micro pip. So you go right here, 1 to 4. You go right here. I'm already at break even, basically. And then you can catch a nice trade, 1 to 4 right there, taking all our losses away. And we'll do another one. We'll see if we can find another one. And it's if people are asking like, oh, you cheated, basically it's like, if your plan is saying you're gonna do this when X happens, you're gonna do Y. It doesn't matter if you're not cheating if you're doing it over. You know what I'm saying? There's no such thing as cheating and backtesting. Unless you're like, I'm catching data, you know what I'm saying? So I'm taking the trades, even if I don't catch it like in this real time simulator, I'm gonna go back and catch it because I'm looking for that every single day. You know what I'm saying? So, and if there's one day where you miss out on playing, if the price action is looking sloppy on one day and you don't want to play it, you're missing out on potential money. Like the probabilities always have to be like aligned, basically. Like you always have to keep playing so your probabilities stay consistent and so you can win. Like you could lose that trade, but then the next trade you win. But yeah, like the probabilities just don't add up. Oh, so look, we have that CSD right here. Took that down candle touched it. We buy, stop below here. And you notice our stop is like super tight on these. Insanely tight. So look, we're here. So look, we're at break even already. Look at that. Nice trade. So we look with that 1 to 4 quick. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. That 9:30 first fair value gap after market open is beautiful. I hope you guys can find some profitable trades. And I'm going to try and steer this more into my strategies. I think this is the only scalping strategy I have. And I also have a 15-minute breaker strategy, like for swing trading, that I'm using right now on Forex. Give you guys some updates. And I'm also going to start class soon, so I'm going to go in for a finance degree. So if you guys don't see regular uploads, it's because of that. Eventually going to become a financial analyst and an advisor, so I'll be able to, actually hook you guys up if you guys are looking for some advisement. But that'll be like 4 years down the line. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out my other content because there's a lot of good stuff. I made a whole video on the daily bias too, so check that out. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys stay safe. I'll catch you guys later.